Look into the night sky. Every star you see, every galaxy twinkling in the distance, all of it exists inside a cosmic bubble, one shaped by space and time. But here's the question no one truly knows how to answer. Where does it end? Is there a wall at the edge of the universe? A boundary? A beyond? Or does it just go on forever? Scientists call it the observable universe, the part we can see based on how far light has traveled since the Big Bang. That's about 46 billion light-years in every direction, forming a sphere 93 billion light-years wide. But don't be fooled. That's not the actual edge. That's just the limit of our vision. Beyond the glowing shell of ancient light known as the cosmic microwave background, the universe may stretch endlessly or fold back on itself in ways we can't imagine. If the universe is infinite, then it doesn't end at all. It just keeps going, more galaxies, more stars, more of everything, repeating in patterns we might never decode. But if it's finite, if it truly has an edge, then what lies beyond? Is it a void? More space? A whole different reality? These are questions that bend the mind. To even begin answering them, scientists study the shape of space itself. If the universe is flat, like a sheet of paper, it might stretch endlessly. If it curves inward like a sphere, then space could loop, travel far enough in one direction, and you end up where you started. Right now, the best evidence points to a flat universe, but the truth could still surprise us. Meanwhile, something stranger is happening. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Driven by a mysterious force called dark energy, galaxies are being pushed apart faster and faster. One day, they'll move so far away that their light can never reach us again. Our night sky will darken. The universe will isolate us, trapping us inside a shrinking bubble of stars. And even that's just the beginning. In the far future, the last stars will burn out. Black holes will slowly evaporate. Matter will decay. The universe will become a cold, silent ocean of nothing. But even then, it won't end, it will just keep existing in a darker form. And some scientists believe it might not be the only universe at all. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Each bubble its own universe, with different laws of physics, different timelines, maybe even different versions of you. Black holes could be portals to other universes or even the seeds from which new ones are born. So where does the universe end? The most honest answer is, we don't know. It might be infinite. It might loop. It might be one of countless others. But this mystery is what drives us. The more we learn, the more the universe dares us to ask even deeper questions. Because the true edge of the universe isn't out there among the stars. It's right here at the edge of human understanding. And we're pushing it little by little, light year by light year. So if you've ever stared into the night sky and felt small, remember this, you're part of it. Made from the same atoms as the stars. Thinking about the same mysteries as the greatest minds in history. And the journey doesn't stop. But let's go deeper, because the idea of an infinite or looping universe isn't even the strangest theory out there. What if this universe isn't even real? Some scientists and thinkers believe we could be living inside a simulation. Not a metaphorical one, a literal simulation, like a cosmic video game running on some advanced intelligence's computer. In this view, everything, stars, galaxies, your memories, even this video, could be part of a program. It sounds like science fiction, but the math behind it? Disturbingly possible. And if it's true, then the edge of the universe might just be the end of the code. But let's step back into the realm of what we can measure. The cosmic web, the vast structure of the universe, stretches across unimaginable distances. Galaxies aren't scattered randomly. They form clusters, filaments, and vast voids like a spider's web. This pattern could offer clues about what lies beyond what we see. If the structure continues in the same way past the observable horizon, it suggests the universe doesn't suddenly end. Instead, it keeps repeating or growing, infinitely sculpted by gravity and time. And speaking of time, here's something strange. The farther out we look, the further back in time we see. Light from distant galaxies takes billions of years to reach us, so we're actually looking into the past. Which means that the universe doesn't just expand in space, it stretches in time. And because of this, the edge of the universe isn't a place. It's a moment, a limit to how far back we can look. But this brings up something even weirder. If the universe has no edge in space and no end in time, then how can we ever understand all of it? We're trapped inside a cosmic bubble with no way to see outside. It's like trying to read the label of a jar you're inside of. The universe hides its own borders, if they even exist. So how do we explore what we can't see? That's where theory and imagination come in. String theory, quantum gravity, the holographic principle, they're not just science buzzwords. They're tools to try and understand a universe that may be beyond space and time entirely. Some theories say the Big Bang wasn't the beginning at all, but a transition. A bounce from a previous universe collapsing and rebirthing itself into this one. In that case, the universe doesn't end. It breathes, forever. Others suggest that time itself might end someday. Not because the universe runs out of energy, but because the very concept of before and after could lose meaning. Think about it. If there's no motion, no events, no change, is time still ticking? In the far future, the universe may still exist, but frozen, silent, a still painting of space. And then there's you, listening to this, trying to understand. That's the most amazing part of all.